In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your business account to personal account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at your profile picture, then hit at that three lines and tap on settings. On settings, scroll down for a bit until you find account, and then just scroll down to the very bottom until you find switch account type. Just tap on it. And that's where you can switch your business account to personal account. To do that, just hit on switch to personal account. When you switch back to a personal account, app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. To switch your account to personal, just hit add switch to personal account. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.